to draw and color clock, which starts from the letter C. So the things we need are a black sketch pen, a pencil, an eraser, a circle-shaped cap, and some colors. So let's start. First, we are going to place the cap on the paper and we are going to drag the pencil around it. Now we will get a circle. Inside the circle, we are going to draw 1 to 12 numbers. At the top, we are going to write the number 12. At the bottom, we'll write 6. On the left side, we'll write 9. And on the right side, we'll write 3. Now, after 12, we are going to write 1. After 1, 2. Now, after 3, we are going to write 4 and 5. Then after 6, 7 and 8. Then after 9, 10 and 11. Now we are going to draw a circle at the center of the big circle. Now for showing the hour hand and the minute hand, I am going to draw a small arrow pointing towards 3. This will be our hour hand. A minute hand is a little longer, so we will draw it a little longer, pointing at the number 12. Now we are going to outline our clock with a black sketch pen. And now our clock is ready. Our clock shows time. It shows hours and minutes. And we have drawn a black and white clock. Thanks for watching.